Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, akumnandi kwi-family trip uMaxele engekho. When the snippet was, or the trailer for tonight's episode was released, we see uMayeni, uMangwabe, uLokuzana, uMakhumalo benoMusa all laughing there, you guys. They really seem like they are enjoying themselves, doing some activities there, while uSamke benoMamkhulu are busy out and about. It looks like, because I'm seeing them wearing different clothes, so it looks like they were out. uSamke benoMamkhulu, it looks like they were out on two different occasions. So uLokuzana uMaxele is sitting with uMakhwela, calling someone, angazi usine or who, saying ukuthi ufuna ukukhuluma nobabakhe. Angithi ubabakhe akawaphendula amafoni or ukhuluma nefoni mekathanda yena. So anyway, uSamke's like, uMthombeni didn't tell me that it's gonna a family trip. I'm just like, girl, and she's rolling her eyes. They like to say, Wuti, okay, Umthombeni should have told me. I'm just like, girl, yayazi indoda yakho. The same man, when he was with you, could answer phone call yakaMaxele and says, Wuti, hello, ngibusy, ngizobuyela wena, and just switch it off like that. He can obviously do the same thing to you or not tell you about the family trip at all. But I'm just like, did uSamke expect to be invited or expect to be told? But maybe she kind of feels like, so why wouldn't he tell me about the family trip? That time, uMakhwela on yesterday's episode, she is planning, is it uMembeso or something like, busy planning a dress which she's gonna wear, which I noticed, the dress is the same one that, or the dress she's speaking to with the designer is the same one she's wearing on the introduction of the show, that brown Latongo dress. And I'm just thinking to myself, so girl is going ahead, plan umembe, so you guys, whilst the other wives have not accepted her, that are you brave? Oh, brave. uMakhwela's like, listen, I am going ahead, planning umembe, so I'm planning whatever I want to do, whether these wives accept me or not. I don't know, guys, which was a for them as a family to go out noMakhwela on family trips. But it does look like the day uMusa invites uMakhwela on a family trip, the rest of the wives are probably gonna blue tick uMakhwela and or blue tick uMusa, and uMusa's gonna have to go on that family trip alone, you guys. Yeah, waze wanzima ukungena kwi-circle. Yeah, but I'm silly, you guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.